Hi, how's life? May Allah always blessing you. I'm standing here, I'm gonna talk about tea. Tea is a drink made by infusing the dried crushed leaves of the tea plant in boiling water. Tea is good for human health, but for people who have diabetes, it's dangerous enough. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a cup of tea for people who have diabetes without any risk. First, make sure you have something like glass or cup. Second, make sure you must have some sugar. Add the sugar into the glass and make sure your tea is gonna be sweet, as sweet as X promises. Place 1 or 3 spoons of white sugar. Place tea bag into the glass and pour the hot water into it. Stir your tea carefully and throw it into the garbage. And then bring a cup of original water and drink it. So no, your diabetes is never getting worse. That's all of the tips for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.